In this video, we'll introduce you to the notification tool and show you how to use it effectively within the DCKAP Integrator. The purpose of the notification tool is to allow users to send email alerts with information about the current synchronization process to a predefined list of email addresses. This feature is especially beneficial in situations where it's important to alert the user about errors or when certain conditions are met. For example, we can set up an email alert whenever integrated process or product with price as 0. Add recipient emails in comma-separated values. Provide the subject line for the email. Select the character set for email interpretation and choose the content transfer encoding method from the drop-down. By default, the message type is set as plain text. However, the users can change the message type to HTML and send a customized email alerts. That's how this email alert will be delivered to the user whenever a product in the integrated processor has a price set to 0. Thank you. Subscribe to DCKAP on YouTube and explore the DCKAP Learning playlist. Check the description below for more.